So we kind of went over our introduction, expectations of the podcast. So we'll get right into what are y'all planning in October right now? Like what are y'all putting in the ground right now?
So we have a huge fall. And so, of course, with our season, we have to wait for the edge to get knocked off. We have to wait for that heat to die down, which it has been. We had that little front come through. And so we're seeing mornings in the 60s, 70s, afternoons in the low 80s, which is a good time to go ahead and get some of your brassicas start going in.
And
we're going to get to that.
Yeah, okay.
But so I do, just because we're a production farm, I like to, if you will, roll the dice a little bit, just to try to get some stuff in early. So I've been direct seeding some mustards and doing those as a cut green, which is nice. So I harvest them as a baby, no bigger than like a 3 to 4 inch leaf. I've seeded 1 round of sugar snap peas, which those, I was hoping it was going to be just a little bit cooler during the day, but they should be fine.
And do y'all trellis those, or do y'all put them on?
We do trellis those. Yeah, we do trellis those. I plant them pretty dense. Yeah. 4 to 6 inches.
Gotcha. Okay.
Apart. And then we're pushing our collards pretty hard. Just gotta make sure.
Are collards a brassica as well? Or
collards are a brassica.
Right.
But you just want to make sure you keep them pretty wet.
Right.
To cool them off.
Until it cools down.
Until it cools down enough.
Right, because we have those cool mornings right now. Like I know I've got my cabbage in the ground already.
Sure. Yeah, especially organically, it's really good to get your cabbage in.
Mine are Bonnie, they're not organic.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Wow. I did a video a while back of starting my seeds for like my bok choy, cabbages like that. But I did them in my seed starters, and it's just too hot in my garage still. You know, it's got to be like constantly below 75 degrees, I think, for most of those to germinate.
But that's, you'll see, and maybe you can get some B-roll of it later, but we have a shade cloth over our hoop house right now. Okay. And so we do that during the summer for this reason. So we don't have a problem germinating brassicas, especially right now.
Really?
It's probably 70 degrees in there
with that shade cloth. And you got a nice cool breeze coming through.
Nice cool, all the windows are open, the sides are up.
Oh, and y'all got your hoop house in already, huh?
Well, the old one.
Oh, okay, yeah, gotcha.
No, the new one, we've got the poles in, but that's a topic for another day.
Yeah, I got you.
But, so, I've direct seeded our first row of turnips, our first row of radishes.
Oh, wow.
Our first row of salad mix. I got all that.
Still the arugula is like that. And
I got our arugula still going strong. We've even started to pick some arugula flowers.
Okay. That's right. You said you're letting those.
We like to let 1 or 2 rows go and pick those flowers. And then we gotta. You know, you should have done this a while back, but we do have our fall tomatoes in.
Oh yeah, I've got some going. Yeah.
I would advise though, that should have been today's date is September 29th.
Yeah, this will come out October 1st. It's way too late to plant your tomatoes.
Yeah, so that you should have done that, like you should have bought your transplant 6 weeks ago. We started ours the beginning of July.
Right, because coming towards late October, you're not going to get anything out.
No, it's just going to take too long. Yeah.